Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Perfect Player on Firestick. So if you want to do this, you have to go to the search bar, open your Firestick, go to the search bar here. Now search for the app, type in downloader. So you have to look for downloader. Automatically it will give you a suggestion. Click on it. Now select settings in your far right corner, right? And when the setting option are displayed, go to the option My Fire TV and open it. Within My Fire TV, you will see this following set of options. Click developer option here. Now go and click on developer option. Click install unknown app. If you have this older Fire Stick version, switch on app from unknown sources instead. Now toggle on for the downloader app here. Now open the downloader app. During the first run, you are likely to see some prompt. You simply need to get rid of the prompt by choosing the appropriate option. You must now see the main screen of the downloader app. Check the URL text box here. With the help of the on-screen keyboard, type the following URL, which is here. You can just pause the video and copy this up and click on go. Let the Perfect Player APK download on your device. Now install this up, and then once installed, just go and click on done. And you should see the app install notification in a minute. If you want to start your Perfect Player on Amazon Fire Stick right away, you may choose open. Now just go and click on open. You can delete the APK because that's not in use, right? So this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.